The economics and cost analysis of a 2023 Christmas dinner. As the holiday season approaches, many families eagerly anticipate the joyous festivities and the traditional Christmas dinner. However, with the ever-changing economic landscape, it is essential to understand the economics and cost analysis of hosting a Christmas dinner in 2023. In this video, we will delve into the various factors that contribute to the overall cost of a Christmas dinner, providing insights into how families can plan and budget for this special occasion. Food costs. The centerpiece of any Christmas dinner is undoubtedly the food. The cost of ingredients can vary significantly depending on factors such as location, availability, and personal preferences. Traditional dishes like roasted turkey, ham, or prime rib can be expensive, especially if opting for high-quality cuts. Additionally, side dishes, desserts, and beverages also contribute to the overall food costs. Planning a menu in advance and comparing prices at different grocery stores can help families save money without compromising on the festive spirit. Guest list and portions. The number of guests invited to the Christmas dinner directly impacts the overall cost. Hosting a large gathering can be more expensive, as it requires purchasing larger quantities of food and beverages. Carefully consider the number of guests and plan accordingly to avoid excessive spending. Additionally, estimating portion sizes accurately can prevent wastage and help control costs. Decorations and ambiance. Creating a warm and festive ambiance is an integral part of the Christmas dinner experience. However, decorations can add to the overall cost. Consider reusing decorations from previous years or opting for DIY projects to save money. Additionally, energy-efficient lighting options can help reduce electricity bills during the holiday season. Travel and transportation. For families with loved ones living far away, travel expenses can significantly impact the overall cost of a Christmas dinner. Whether it involves airfare, gas, or public transportation, it is crucial to factor in these costs when budgeting for the event. Planning ahead, booking tickets in advance, and exploring cost-effective travel options can help minimize expenses. Entertainment and activities. Incorporating entertainment and activities into the Christmas dinner can enhance the overall experience. However, these additions can also contribute to the cost. Consider budget-friendly options such as organizing a gift exchange, playing games, or watching holiday movies together. These activities can create lasting memories without straining the budget. Conclusion. Hosting a Christmas dinner in 2023 involves careful planning and budgeting to ensure a memorable and enjoyable experience for all. By considering factors such as food costs, guest list, decorations, travel expenses, and entertainment, families can effectively manage their finances while still creating a festive atmosphere. Remember, the true essence of Christmas lies in the joy of spending time with loved ones, and with thoughtful planning, it is possible to create a memorable holiday gathering without breaking the bank.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.